Here's the demonstration how to connect and synchronize files with your OneDrive for Business. Okay. In the search box of Windows, type OneDrive. Okay. Look at the OneDrive application. So enter your Office 365 account email address. Password. Okay, this is your online folder. Click next. Click sync if you want to sync all the files, or you can pick up the folders you want to sync if your folder is too large. Okay, you're all set. You can open the folders to see your files. Okay, here's your OneDrive folder, and it's going to start synchronizing. Thanks.